Video, we'll be demonstrating how to find the elasticity of demand. In this example, we'll be using the price of shoes. Again, elasticity and inelastic is when the tipping point happens where the price has become too high, and if it's elastic, that means people look for a substitute. If it's inelastic, it means that the price is not high enough for someone to look for a substitute. So the example we're going to use is sneakers. What we're going to do is use the increase in price and the decrease in demand. So let's go ahead and start putting in the numbers here. So increase in price, what we're doing is copying our information from this graph here. So we're going to go 50, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 70, 70 to 80, and 90 to 100. So this is just calculating the increase in price by $10 each time, and we want to find out what is the percent change when it comes to this. So all we're doing, and the formula is provided here for you, is we need to calculate what is the percent change in price. So we're going to go equals, and again the formula line is right here, parentheses, increase in price minus original price, parentheses, divided by original price. And again, the formula is right here. We hit enter, and the percent change is, or the increase in price change, percent is 0.25. So instead of us having to do that for each of these cells, what we could do is simply copy the same formula down by grabbing this box that is right here and dragging it down here. Alright, now we're going, this was increase in price, now decrease in demand. Again, a quick review with the law of demand. If the price increases, the amount of purchases would go down. But if the amount falls, the price falls, then we'll see an increase in purchasing. So that's what's taking place right now. And the prices are linked to the demand here. So as the prices increase, we see the demand begin to fall until we get to 60 to 30. So now we got to use this formula here, a little different than what we just did. So equals, parentheses, original demand minus decrease in demand, parentheses, divided by original demand, enter. And now here's the percent change in demand. It means it's dropped 0.14 when it comes to this, and we can copy this as well, and now we have our two different percents. So now we need to calculate, is this price change elastic or inelastic? And as we looked in class, anything that's 0.99 or below is considered inelastic, anything that is 1 is unitary, and anything that is 1.1 or above is considered elastic. So that's what we need to figure out in these price changes. When does the prices become elastic? So the formula is quite simple. We go equals. Again, formula is right here, and it's provided here. We go equals. We're doing the demand change. So demand. Click on that cell. And then price change. Price. Enter. And it's 0.57. Now the reason it turned red is because we already designed the spreadsheet to turn a certain color. So if it's in red, then it means it's inelastic. If it turns green, that means it's elastic. So let's go ahead and copy this formula all the way down. And as we can see, the price from 40 to 50 will stay inelastic. 50 to 60 is inelastic. And then we have a change. Once we hit $60 to $70, then we see the price turn from elastic to an elastic. So all we do over here is indicate, is the percent change elastic or inelastic? So this would be inelastic. This would also be inelastic because it's below, it's 0.99 or below. And now we're at elastic, 1.1 and above is considered elastic. And that's how we calculate elasticity of demand. We take the increase in prices, we take the decrease in demand, we find the percents for both, and then we divide them against each other to calculate what they mean. If it's in red, it's inelastic. If it's green, it's elastic, and indicate in this section here. If there's any questions, please let me know.